Welcome to the wacky world of Jiu-Jitsu, where we blend martial arts with a dash of breakdancing flair. Today, I'm going to show you a takedown move that'll have you dancing circles around your opponent. Everyone has probably seen this move performed by gymnasts or breakdancers, but did you know that it can also be used as a throw in Jiu-Jitsu? Now, imagine you're at the ultimate dance-off, and your opponent is ready to bust a move. But instead of breaking out your best dance moves, you're about to break their balance. Here's where the magic happens as your opponent comes at you. You're going to dip, duck, and dive just like you're hitting the dance floor. But instead of spinning them around for a twirl, you're going to use your whole body to redirect their energy downward. Check it out, folks. It's like poetry in motion. With a dash of Jiu-Jitsu spice, you're using your opponent's momentum against them, all while adding your own unique flavor to the mix. If you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends and help me get this video to as many people as possible. The most common mistake is the wrong position. In relation to the opponent's body, you usually didn't manage to take down the opponent. If you are trying to make this throw while you are in front of your opponent, like in showing it here, in this case, you do not have enough speed at the moment of impact with the opponent, and his legs stop you. Therefore, always make sure that you are on the same axis with the opponent's legs. Then you will succeed in the throw every single time. And just like that, you've turned the dojo into your own personal dance floor. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So always train safely and respect your fellow dancers. Martial artists. Thanks for tuning in to today's Jiu-Jitsu breakdown. Until next time, keep dancing, keep rolling, and keep spreading the love of the art.